Welcome to a journey through the icy realms of Antarctica, home to one of the most unique creatures on Earth, penguins.
Did you know there are 17 species of penguins? They are all native to the southern hemisphere, primarily inhabiting Antarctica.
2. The largest penguin is the emperor penguin, standing up to 4 feet tall and weighing up to 90 pounds.
3. The smallest is the little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, which stands about 16 inches tall and weighs 2 pounds.
4. Penguins are best known for their waddle. Though clumsy on land, they are remarkably efficient swimmer and diver.
5. Penguins can remain submerged for up to 20 minutes at a time and dive as deep as 1,000 feet.
6. Penguins have a gland near their tail which produces waterproof oil. They press their beak against this gland to spread the oil and waterproof their plumage.
7. Penguins have a ticking biological clock. Each species gathers on land to mate during a set time each year.
8. When constructing nests with some species like Gen 2 penguins, the male penguin often presents a pebble or a collection of pebbles to the female as part of their mating ritual. 9. Emperor penguins, rather than laying their eggs in nests, they carry a single egg around on their feet under a flap of skin called a brood pouch.
10. Penguins have excellent vision and can see underwater, which is helpful when they're hunting for food.
11. The average lifespan of a penguin varies by species. In general, larger penguins live longer than smaller ones. Emperor penguins can live up to 20 years in the wild.
12. Penguins are carnivores. Their main diet consists of fish, squid, and krill, which they catch during their dives.
13. During winter, emperor penguins form colonies of thousands and huddle together to keep warm. 14. The rockhopper penguins get their name from their behavior of jumping over the rocks to navigate their rocky colonies.
15. Despite their heavy bodies, some penguins can leap up to 6 feet out of the water onto land.
16. Penguins have a great sense of hearing despite having no visible ears.
17. Penguins do not have teeth. Instead, they have backward-facing fleshy spines inside their mouths that help them in catching and swallowing their prey.
18. King and emperor penguins lay only 1 egg at a time, while all other species can lay 2. 19. Except for one species, all penguins are monogamous throughout their lives and return to the same mate each year for breeding.
20. Penguins often slide on their bellies over the ice, which is called tobogganing. This is often faster and uses less energy for them than walking.
21. Penguins can drink seawater. They have a gland behind their eyes, the supraorbital gland, that filters the salt from their blood, which they then excrete through their bill.
22. Some penguin species like Adelie penguins and chinstrap penguins are considered true Antarctic species, as they breed on or near continental Antarctica.
23. Certain penguin species, like Galapagos penguins, live near the equator. It's the only penguin species found north of the equator in the wild.
24. Yellow-eyed penguins of New Zealand are among the most endangered of all penguin species, primarily due to habitat loss and introduced predators.
25. A large group of penguins in the water is called a raft, while a group of penguins on land is known as a waddle.
26. Penguins are social birds. Many species feed, swim, and nest in groups. 27. Contrary to popular belief, most penguins do not live in extreme freezing conditions. Many live on the beaches of South Africa and on the islands of New Zealand.
28. Penguins can swim at speeds up to 22 miles per hour.
29. Climate change and global warming pose a massive threat to the penguin populations, as melting and thinning ice reduces their habitat and affects their food supply.
30. Lastly, impressive as they are, penguins do have predators. Their main predators are killer whales and leopard seals.
So there you go. Those were the 30 surprising facts about these incredible birds. Penguins truly are a fascinating species, exemplifying survival, adaptability, and sheer resilience.